catch them before they make her cry. Check out these little feetsies. I might get a squawk out of that too. We'll see. She's got one pinky toe that likes to sneak over the next toe when she's relaxed. I'm not sure if she gets that from me or from her mommy. Let me see your zebra. Pretty cool, huh? We follow it over here. Yeah. Pretty cool. Alright, I suppose I'll stop the video so I don't take up all of your day.